Hey guys, locally lost lapidary, and I have some charoite. Very rare and elusive charoite. I cut this stone months ago, and I've just had it in my back pocket. So now I'm just ready. I mean, not literally in my back pocket. Sorry, I got stuck thinking about that. It hasn't literally been in my back pocket, but it's been sitting here in the shop, and now I'm ready to cab it out and turn it into something nice, something wearable. But it's great looking. First time ever. I've never messed with charoite in my life. I don't even own a polished charoite. So let's make that a reality. Here we go. All right, let's go ahead and shape this puppy out. The good old, where's this thing from? Russia is where they find charoite? In Siberia? It's the only place you can find charoite. All right, shape it out. Up a little bit. Ooh, I'm like vibrating. So if your lap is ever vibrating, like mine is, like that, this is how you fix that. You can either, just fix it like this. Line it up. Make sure you're in line there. That's all you need to do. That fixed it. Yeah, that fixed it up, huh? Alright. Alright, we're getting a little bit round there. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this whole thing. Got it nice and rounded off. Looks like a little canoe. Charoite canoe. SS Charoite. Alright, now to the 180 grip. Done with the 180. It's really starting to take shape now. Looking good. Starting to see some more color pop out too. Right there. All right here. Seeing a couple more specks. Hopefully we get something like chatoyant. That'd be awesome. All right, let's dig deeper. All right, the 300 diamond grit. All done. It's really starting to look good. Purple's getting deeper. Really starting to come out for sure. All right, let's give it that silicon carbide bath. Does the job every time. It doesn't take much water either. Sometimes I turn the water off. Sometimes I put a little slow drip. Put it this way, the more water you put, the faster the grip. Oh, there it goes. Gonna have to redop that. But yeah, the more water you put, the faster the grit just washes away. Oh, man, I am messy. Well, good thing it fell off the top. I gotta go rinse this off and change out the top anyway. Let me clean all this up and I'll be right back and we'll get started on the polishing pads. 325 complete. Looking good. Like how it's a little translucent right here. Showing her true form. All right, let's go to the 600. She is really looking great. Starting to get real translucent, like I'm able to see, or transparent. So see right there, it's transparent. You can see inside of there. There's some flakes, copper color flakes. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let's see. Man, look how polished this is. Gosh. Just super polished. Look, it's dry. I guess that's why Charoite's so awesome. I mean, it polishes up freaking quick and nice. I like it so far. On to the 1200. Seriously looks done. Done. That means my cerium oxide is really gonna do some good. Really gonna set this off. Come on, man, that's beautiful. I love that natural purple. All right. See you on my side. Here we come. The Charoite is finished. And there she is. Mirror polish. Love it. I'm gonna do copper trim all around the edges and have it hang just like that. Electroform that bad boy. Have it look awesome. I really like it. It's like a mosaic like purple. Real 1980s. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Like a 1980s windbreaker. I didn't mean that. You're better than that. It's beautiful. It really is. It's gonna look even better when I electroform it. Back raw, of course. Give this some matching earrings too. And that'll do it, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Still loading. Uploading one video a day. This is Locally Lost Lapidary. Have a good night or a good day. And I'm out. Peace.